What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am still Letitia, and this is That's So Letitia. And whether you are new to my channel and this is your absolute first time clicking on any of my content, hello, welcome, and thank you for your support. And to my return viewers, watchers, supporters, subscribers, hey guys, what's going on? Thank you so much for your support, even in my absence. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So, I've been gone for quite a while. Honestly, since March 2023. And I will just say this, guys. When life is lifing, life will life. It's kind of like that saying, if you ever want to hear God laugh, tell him your plans, which is why I told you guys in my last video of 2022, I am not one for New Year's resolutions because things always somehow change, whether it's a positive change or a negative change, right? Or just a life-changing event that you were not prepared for. So life has been lifing. I am getting a handle on it now, but 2023 kind of presented a lot of just real change that I was not anticipating. And when I tell you depression creeped up at my door, like, guys, I'm going to put this out there. Check on your friends. Even the ones that's smiling, laughing, doing the content and, going out. You see them, they're posting, they look like they're doing good. Sometimes that content is to mask what is really going on or lack thereof. Check on your friends, especially the ones that seem so strong, because we all have a breaking point. I'm just gonna say that. So, speaking of checking on, I do want to take the time out to thank a few, I won't even call them subscribers, a few supporters who literally, now I haven't posted on YouTube, but they found my Insta, followed me on Insta, and actually messaged me like words of encouragement, not even knowing what it was that I'm going through or was going through. One in particular, she is amazing. She's been on my channel since I probably had like 10 organic followers. She goes by Vanna's Gran. Thank you so much, like, for honestly reaching out to me on Insta and messaging me. I miss talking to you guys too. I really, really appreciate that. That gave me encouragement. And then there were a few other like supporters that kind of reached out or, tagged me in different posts on Instagram. I appreciate each and every one of you. So while I was away, while I was taking my mental health break, I was under the impression that, my channel would kind of just be my channel. I'll pick it back up when I can. And then when I was ready, I would reach out to these brands. You never know who's paying attention to you. Even when you think all the chips are down, you never know who is like, hey, I see a spark there and I'm going to encourage it to wake back up. Thank you so much, Good Molecules. They actually sent me PR, a juicy size box of all sorts of just really good skincare products in the midst of my absence. Like, that's unheard of for my channel. That's unheard of. No content I'm posting, and they still reached out to me and they still wanted to support me supporting them on my channel. I definitely appreciate that. And you guys already know, I live for good skincare. So I haven't been doing my makeup. Like no brows, no nothing, no foundation, nothing. I'm being totally transparent. But what I have been doing is my skincare. And what I've noticed is my skincare is not giving what I'm used to it giving. So I'm like, is it the stress? Is it, you know, the hormone change? Like, what is it? Is it the dry desert weather, the dry desert air? Why is my skincare not giving what I'm used to it giving? So when they reached out to me, I'm like, yes, I need all the things, anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, removal. I need brightening, something that's going to bring some life back into my complexion, right? So the products that they sent me, and I have been using them for a minute now, wanted to kind of do, you know, a bit of a test trial just to see how well my skin in its current state would react to these products. And I will say I was not at all disappointed. So they sent me 4 items. The first product that they sent me, this is their Niacinamide Brightening Toner, which is great for brightening the complexion and also taking care of the appearance of enlarged pores. So this is a toner. This you can pick up at Ulta, and actually you can pick up their entire brand there. I love that for my Ulta points, my Ulta Cash, discounts, some coupons, depending on which Ulta you go to and who's at the register. But I love that for good molecules. This is a affordable, no-nonsense skincare brand that is absent of all the fluff, pomp, and circumstance. They get down to the root of exactly what it is that your skin is going through, and they help you to actually formulate for yourself a regimen. And then the second product that they sent me, this is their Discoloration Correction Serum. Now this one would be considered step 3 in a step 5 regimen that they actually recommend that you use. They do have their steps located on some of their packaging. Step 1 is cleanse, step 2 is tone, step 3 would be like your discoloration correction serum, then step 4 is moisturize, then obviously step 5 or your final step would be SPF. So this discoloration correcting serum, it helps to improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. I'm getting a bit of that up under there, as well as like some old acne scars that are trying to resurface. I don't know what their deal is, but this is helping getting them in check. And then they also sent me, this is their Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. This one is formulated with chamomile and sea buckthorn oils to hydrate, protect, and nourish the skin. This right here, dry heat, dry air to nourish, replenish, like hydrate. I love that. And I will be very honest with you guys, I use quite a bit of skincare products. I've never heard in one sentence about the same product, oil and hydrate. I haven't. This is a really, really good oil because it does not sit on the surface of your face. It actually penetrates your face. So you don't have an oily appearance, but you have more of a plump, youthful appearance the more that you actually use that product. So it's an oil, but it definitely, as I stated, it does not sit just on the surface of your skin and kind of give you that donut face or donut facial look. No, it's actually going into your pores and doing what it is that it needs to do. And then the last product that they sent me, this is their overnight exfoliating treatment. Remember back in the day when exfoliating treatments were the equivalent of you rubbing your face up against concrete or rubbing your face with some sort of like grounded up cement? Of course it wasn't cement, it was pumice. But yeah, we no longer need to do that because we have brands and products like this that have what's called glycolic acid or lactic acid. Those are all non-abrasive, non-harsh very gentle exfoliating products or ingredients, and that is exactly what this one has in it. I love this one. They want you to use it like 3 times a week, and if there is something that would have or cause you to have an adverse reaction, they will also list that. So this one, they're suggesting it may cause irritation if you use it with retinols or other acids, so that's something to be mindful of also. So this is what I have been up to. I have been taking care of my skin. I have been drinking my water. Guys, is this still a thing? Like, are we still doing this? I don't know. Like, went down TikTok's rabbit hole one night. I couldn't sleep, and I just popped up with a Stanley Cup. And I'm like, why? Like, what is so different about this cup? I mean, other than the fact that she's cute, she's white, she matches my vanity fridge as well as my vanity mirror. But yeah, so she keeps me very hydrated. 40 ounces, throw you a few cubes of ice in there, some bottled spring water in the beginning of the day, and it's a cute reminder to drink your water, which also helps to improve the appearance of your skin. So that is all I have for you good peoples this evening. Again, thank you so much to Good Molecules for sending me out this PR package, aka care package, because I was down bad. Again, depression. Just when you think like you have a handle on things sometimes will get a handle on you and show you different and prove you wrong. So I'm so grateful that I have the support that I do, that I'm now starting to come out of it. And honestly, guys, these things help. Like, these really help me. I'm like, oh my goodness, I have people out there that are still looking at me even though I'm not looking at me. Let me put my best self forward because I so enjoy doing this. I enjoy sharing, you know, my love of makeup, beauty, random thoughts, random things with you guys. And it felt like I was doing a disservice to my spirit to keep staying away and staying in that negative, down, depressed state. So Good Molecules, you guys rock. Thank you so much for this care package, PR package. And thank you guys, if you stuck around this long, just know more videos are to come. You're gonna get a video this evening, and then I'm gonna do another video tomorrow, which is going to be a little bit more along the lines of my traditional type of content. Just wanted to kind of reintroduce myself, let you guys know what I had going on. No, I haven't forgot about you. Hopefully you guys haven't forgot about me. But with that being said, we've come to the end of the road for this video. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. Thank you again for reaching out to me. Thank you for finding me on my other socials and actually reaching out like, hey, we noticed you were gone. Are you okay? That means a lot. That means that not only are you just clicking on my video randomly every now and again, but you're like, okay, this is an actual person who may be going through something. Let me check in on them. I do appreciate you. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. Exercise self-care. It is not a luxury, but a necessity. And now we have a new tagline. Check on your friends. And that is all I have for you good people. Until next time, we shall chat again soon.